Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to Booms's Spot. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Come, let's go to Dosumu Market as I shop party pack item as my son turns 5. Hypo. Okay. Hey guys, morning. Welcome back again to my channel. You guys, I am heading to party pack market. That's where I'm heading to. Hey, I beg you. I'm heading to party pack market. I need to go and buy what they call it, like Kaito's party pack things. AC is not working. I need to go and buy Kaito's party pack things that I'm going to be putting in his party pack. His birthday is coming up. Kaito is turning 5. I think I've mentioned it too. I've mentioned it in my previous vlogs that Kaito is actually turning 5. So his birthday is coming up. We have done the party pack bag, but I need to buy the things that I'm going to put inside the party pack. And I think they are a lot in their class. So he's actually going to, okay, so I've not even given the briefing. He's actually going to be having the birthday in school, his cake and everything. Kaito wants Spider-Man, everything. So that's what we are just trying to follow the theme of Spider-Man. He knows what he wants. He now knows what he wants. I mean, he's 5. He's 5. He's comprehending. He's understanding. He's talking. He's doing everything. So he wants Spider-Man. He even sings the Spider-Man song for us. So yeah, you guys hold on, please. My AC is not coming on. Let me just call my husband. Anything that concerns Sabika, like apart from put it on and drive to where my destination is supposed to be, I know Sabi. Let me call my husband. I just had one of the most ridiculous experience, honestly. There's this lady that, you know, says she's Rivers. I just found her inside my street and she used to do POS for me, like POS transfer. And I said, okay, since I want to buy fuel, let me just stop by her side and actually do POS. Huh? To withdraw 100,000 naira, this lady was puncturing 4,000 naira. That's how much to withdraw 100,000 naira. I could not believe it. I told her to her face that I will never come back here again. I said I will never. That is sister where they do each other. Like na sister where they do. I said even in the market, I've never withdrawn 100,000 naira for this amount. You are very, very wicked. And I just drove off and left her from her place. I told her she should give me my change. Now sister they do person. Honestly. When people just get so familiar with you, start doing them customer and sister, this one, that one. Nah, it's ridiculous. You guys, that incident just left a really sour taste in my mouth. But anyways, I just feel like some people end their celebration in December. But me, my celebration continues till January. Like heading to the market. I don't know how many times I've gone to the market this year. But anyways, let's go to the market together. I was telling my husband that I have a benchmark for this market. I have a benchmark for this market because it feels like no matter how small you want to do a birthday, no matter how small you want to do a birthday, and I was wrapping my mouth and telling my husband, okay, let's budget this and this will be enough for me to do this whole birthday. But I'm like, what? The money he gave me is not even going anywhere as I expected. Like, hey, it's not even going anywhere. No matter how small you want to do this birthday, and Kaito their class is now, I don't know. But anyways, I got to the market here, collected my ticket as usual. Kitty. Fine, thank you. Well done. You guys see my love was waiting for me. My love, happy new year. Yeah, my pack. Guys, this is actually going to be the first time that I'll actually see my Alaboro woman this year. Remember the market I came to, she was not back from the village where she traveled. But yeah, you guys, I'm in the market right now. I don't intend to spend so much time in this market, so let's just quickly go and shop for the things that I need to put inside Kaito's party pack. I'm still coming back to the market, but let me just do this one because it's quite important. Let me just do it, and yeah, let's go into the market together. We have gotten to the market, and that's my Alaboro woman in front, just leading me into the market. She suggested that we start with Orican Market, Idumota, where I shop for provisions, to just buy the juices and the biscuits and other things that I'm going to be putting inside the party pack before we head over to Dosumu to buy other things as well. So this is us just making our way to the places where I'm gonna shop for things, which is like sweet treats that I'm gonna put inside the party pack. So yeah, we've gotten here, and this lady sells, like, packs of sweets, packs of biscuits and all. And then she also sells other things, bubbles, glasses. Yeah, I see my friend gave me gifts today in the market. Thank you. You guys, that's my customer. I stick to buying Nutribomb and other things for Kaima, and a little bit of provision from her. But yeah, I continued shopping here at this point. I had to buy, Active, Ribena, just a lot of things to actually fill into the party pack, right? And this is the best place that I would get it. I remember that I'm actually doing Papa home, so I had to buy Kunaya and tiger nut so that I can actually make it so flavorful. You guys will watch that in yet another vlog. But I bought this cup for I think 1,000 naira, and I bought kunaya as well, that one that is sweet like honey. Now we proceeded to the Dosumu Market proper to go and start shopping for the things that are actually now going to be in the party pack, because here they sell in wholesale. You guys, I saw these bubbles that I saw there. The lady that told me 9,500 when I went to Idumota section of the market, it was selling for 8,500 naira here. You guys, I was just making different choices, especially with things that had Spider-Man. It really excited me to say, okay, let's go on with the theme of the birthday and all. But yeah, you guys, this is anywhere you get to in the market, right? Just tell them you are going to where you can actually buy party pack things for children. I was really tired at this point. I was just looking for things that will fill up with our theme. You guys, my husband was telling my children, like, you guys are blessed to have your mommy. When he saw me come back from the market so knackered and tired, it was like, you guys are blessed to actually have this woman as your mommy. I needed to do yet another transfer, or rather withdraw another money to just continue. Wasi, you get my jeepney. My friend come buy me for hand. Say make you carry 30k meat, give me. You see the small, you see no people enter one waterproof. Guys, happy new year. You have been asking of Wasi. Look at it. Uzo came to the market to buy food stuff. I said her buy meat for me. Wasi, I don't know what he packed. I bought for me for 30,000. I wish I showed you. I said for the tube where you do me, go pack all this meat with me. 30,000. I dey go my car. If you want follow me, follow me. But I say they go my car. Yes, you get my car. I don't ever buy one now. Thank you. God bless. How many people don't come in to say they come from me? So they buy meat for you. Oh yeah, leave them now. Leave them a bed. Leave them. If you don't want, I don't take some market. They call me. As you see, I don't. Your friend there is a pass here. They call me. Now to send meat for me. No one send. Okay. I'm done from the market. My love is just putting the things inside the car. I'm actually drained. I saw Wasi in the market. I don't even have time to argue with him. I just left him because I'm still coming back to the market and I still have goat meat and meat in the house. If I want to buy right now, it's just that I'm wasting my time, because Uzo even helped me buy beef on Saturday. So there was no need for all those plenty talks and all those plenty shakara. So let me just be heading to the market. Party packs are now so expensive. Party packs are now so expensive, honestly. Hey, but anyways, I was able to. Let me just be driving home. I don't know where this energy will come from drive to go back home, but let me just be driving home, and I'll see you guys when I get home. I'll show you guys what I bought when I get home. You guys, there is no way that I would have done market that day. See, I was so tired that day, and come back and start showing you guys everything that I bought. But let me quickly show you guys everything that I bought and end this vlog actually. So you guys, first off, I got this set of glasses. We're going to fit them in the party pack. There is blue, there are different colors and all, because what they call it, Spider-Man wears glasses all the time now, so I just thought it's going to be cute to have this in Kaito's party pack as well. So I got these glasses, and it's about 24, but I'm actually doing 30 party packs because I have to give unused children, Dara, a lot of other people as well. So yeah, that's one. I got these sets of plates. I got these sets of plates, you know, because they don't have everything like all Spider-Man, and also you have to actually buy things for girls, for boys, for what they call it. So I got these as well, and this is going into his party pack. I got this book as well. When I saw it, I was like, oh, this goes with the theme of our party. I bought this one for the girls as well. I got this one. So this is activity for book writing and coloring. So yeah guys, I got these as well. Then I got Spider-Man cups. I got this Spider-Man cup. No, this one is not even Spider-Man. No, I think this one is Popper. There is Spider-Man. Hold on, there is Spider-Man. It's actually Spider-Man. Yeah, so yeah, this one is the Spider-Man. This thing, let me see if I can bring it out, because myself and Auntie Peace were just even saying that let us just start packing the party pack right now and know that we are done and over with it. Auntie Chacha can come and help us, don't worry.
To blend it out.
Okay, you guys, so there is a Spider-Man cup as well, because they will not sell everything to you in dozens. They can sell you half dozen. So I augmented with this other one for Paw Patrol, and I got this other one as well. I got hold on, I got this other one as well. So this one I can also put it for my community kids. My community kids, I can actually put this one for them as well. And then there's Eclipse. You guys, one of my favorite sweets of all time, but they have dropped their quality. I mean, the Eclipse of, I don't know if you're a millennial that is watching me as well. Did you lick this sweet growing up? Did you actually lick this sweet growing up? If you did, leave it in the comment section. It was full in the mouth. When you get to that chocolate part, oh my god, the way it melts in. I bought it though. We're gonna put it inside the party pack, you know. You guys know that. Transferring things to my children is what I live for. Things that really made me excited as a child. So I'm gonna put this inside the party pack for them. And then I have these ones, this sharpener. There is sharpener, there is eraser. This is for, well, this is also part of the Avengers too. I don't like all those things. Let me see. Yeah, you guys can see. And then for the girls, bring the toothbrush. And then there's this box of 36 erasers. There's erasers as well that I'm gonna put inside the party pack. I have bubbles. This is also a pack of 36. I have bubbles. Let me show you what it looks like. Kama loves bubbles. If you watch the vlog of mine where Kama was fighting for bubbles, Kama loves bubbles. So I have bubbles as well. I have candy. That's stick candy, right? I'm gonna put that in the bag, in the party pack as well. I'm gonna show you guys a sneak peek of the party pack that I did. And I also got them toothbrushes. I got them packs of toothbrushes. Let me show you. Very essential. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. Can you guys see? Focus. So this is what it looks like, yeah. And I bought about 3 packs of it. So yeah, brushes. I bought spoons. I got biscuits. Pure Bliss. I got Ribena. More biscuits. You guys saw when I was buying. I bought Ribena. I bought Chivita. I bought Fresh Yo, and I think I bought another chivita, you guys. I bought another chivita, and I bought this carton of biscuits, another carton of biscuits. It's wafers carton of biscuits, and I think that's about it too. I bought water and some other things, just a lot of things. My customer in the market dashed me this biscuit. Please bring it. My customer in the market, she dashed me this biscuit. I was seeing her up, and then in the market, you know, you guys know that me and this sweet have now found a relationship. So please let me bring the party pack. Let me just give them a sneak peek of what the party pack looks like. My son's birthday is on a Monday. My head is just cracking. Like, I have a very important meeting on Monday morning. You guys, this is what Kaito's party pack is looking like. Kaito is fine. Unbelievable. But anyways, let me not even keep this video for too long. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. The vlog actually continues, so I'm actually going to see you guys in my next vlog. So bye guys.